Now at 11 o'clock, this is really great. It's an incredible tradition in more and more towns, really all over the country and even here in our state. People coming out to ring bells and make a lot of noise each and every night.
Channel 3 photojournalist Nate by Nikki took a trip to West Hartford tonight and shows us why.
I describe our neighborhood as a 50s style neighborhood.
We're a very good neighborhood, lots of caring neighbors.
So we started doing this about a week and a half ago.
Gretchen texted me and she said, "Hey, I want to play God Bless America. Do you have a speaker?"
Our whole world seemed to be falling apart. And I thought the one thing we could do was to take some control.
Oh, say, can you see?
I realized I could sing the national anthem if you guys want me to, and I was very happy that they would let me.
Many of our neighbors are working from home. I'm not working, I was laid off. We're all kind of checking in with each other to make sure that if somebody needs groceries, we can help with that. Extra masks or gloves.
I have wonderful neighbors, we're blessed to be here. This is just another piece of proof that that's true.
To see everyone, to see them healthy has been really calming, and to know that we're all okay and doing okay. I think we look forward to this every night.
And there's not a whole lot we can do right now besides staying home and keeping away from people and doing our best not to spread this virus.
For those of you who are frontline workers, who are out there doing the most impossible job in the world, we can't thank you enough. We are so grateful for the sacrifices you're making.
Well, you guys are our heroes. We're just so thankful for you.
We can't forget the people working in the grocery stores and all the retail stores that are keeping us fed, that are keeping us alive. All the medical workers who are taking care of us and risking their lives every day.
Oh, the land of the free, in the home of the
That's fantastic.
I wish I had a bell over here.
know.
I need Scott's bell from the morning.
We're going to be talking
so
about this for the
nice.
rest of our lives, but a lot of good is coming out of this, and it's so nice to see.
What a great neighborhood. A
Yeah.
lot of lucky neighbors right there. Good
and
people.
nice job to our coworker Nate for putting that
Just
together.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.